welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually getting ready to, go get my day started, and I figured I would go ahead and film a quick, literally so quick little get ready with me, because I don't know how many times I go to YouTube and I type in everyday makeup, and then I see somebody put on 50 products, spend an hour doing everyday makeup, and I'm like, I don't have an hour every day to put makeup on. This is for all the girls out there who don't have an hour and a half every day to do an everyday makeup look. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I use, what I do, and hopefully it's helpful to you guys out there. I am no makeup professional, so I'd like to keep it pretty simple. Before I show you guys this makeup look, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Go on ahead and join us. You know you wanna. Go ahead and make it happen. The button's right down there. Now that you have done that, hopefully you have done that. If not, bad. But let's go ahead and jump into the video anyways.